Yeah, mate. I'll show you. The moon at the moment. The moon is there. There's the moon. So we've currently got a new moon at the moment. It's literally right underneath us because I've got my phone face down. That's how I got the phone like that, face down, more or less. It's there. There's the moon. And the sun is, there's the sun. Hello guys and girls. Here I am anyway with another bird video. Starting off with the usual goldfinch. Seem to be abundant around here. It's just non-stop goldfinch in that tree. I remember a time when I was younger, it was a privilege to see the odd rare goldfinch. Now I can't stop seeing them. I think there's a bluetit in there as well. There was a bluetit just then. They're doing their breeding rituals now. Yeah, there's a bluetit. There's only a bloody bluetit, that's a bonus. Thought I saw a bluetit. They are also pretty cool birds. They're nesting in Kelly's house again, the bluetits. They're waking us up about 7 AM. Peck, 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 peck. Peck, 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 peck. Peck, 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 pecky, peck, peck. I just wait and see what else comes by. There's a sparrow up there. See if I can get some better light on him. It's a bit better, isn't it? Before he popped off there. Leaves are coming back on the trees. It's good. Some buds there. Quick look at the sun while we're waiting. There's two juicy sunspots there. Bit in focus. But those two big beauties. One up there as well. Well, interesting. Just flew out the house. I'm over here somewhere. Here you are. These are little beauties that are nesting in the house.
Some kiwi there, dudes! Get some kiwi. Hey, you want it?
Coloured dove. The coloured dove. When it focuses. Oh, two coloured doves.
Sue was upset. You make them okay?
And a wood pigeon. So after Bruce has just put a post up about sabotage to his channel, I commented, and I've tried to go back onto the comment, and this is what it says on my phone screen. This post is no longer available. That's interesting because that's never happened before. So yes, something's going on. This post is no longer available. What is going on? Is anybody else getting this? Click on it. This post is no longer available. Is he took it off? What's going on there then? Let's try a different one. Yeah, that one comes up. But why doesn't this one come back up? Bruce, did you delete this one? What's going on? This post is no longer available. Really? Interesting. Oh, that's Jason Swartz, because I asked him earlier about what's going on with Bruce, because I was concerned. But obviously we got that post off Bruce, so we more or less know that Bruce is okay. He's just there messing with his channel. I better go and tell Jason. Right, well, I hope we get to see Bruce soon on a live or something. Because this is not looking good at all, is it?